Good day, guys. Good day. Good day, good people. So in this video, I want to show you how to open an account with Exness, how to register, to open a demo account and a live account with Exness. So let us start. So, okay, if you want to open an account with Exness, what you do first is what you have to do. Okay, I have a link in the description, so you go to the description, you just use that link to open the account with Exness. Then to go and Google Exness, just go to the link below, just click that link, Exness, and thereafter it will take you to the screen. So okay, let me do this. First thing, because I'm from South Africa, I'll say South Africa. If you are from Asia or Korea, you just type Korea. South Africa. Email address that I'll use this one if I'm not mistaken. I think it's when was the last time I used this email? I can't even remember. The password, I can just create any password, man. Let me just say. Yeah, let me check. It's correct here. Okay, yeah, I'll use this one. They've already clicked here for you. So they have to click here. So it's a matter of pressing here, continue. We are creating an account, opening an account. So this email is already existing. So let me just put another Y and see if that one will work. Because they've got a lot of emails, guys. Let me check if this one does work. Okay, that one does work. My internet is slow as well. Please forgive me. Please forgive me, guys. My internet is slow. Okay, so now I want to open a demo account. Let me just go to unpin this. Okay, let me go to demo because I want to. Now we are here. So now we are here. So it's either you operate on their platform, because this is their platform. But if you know trading views like this, it's their platform. So what I want to do, I want us to go to here, come here to MetaTrader terminal. You click here, and from there, from there we go to personal area. So now it's gonna take us to our dashboard. It's gonna take us to our dashboard now. Please, guys, be patient with me. Be patient with me. My internet is slow. So you're in your dashboard. You can see here it says my account. There's a real account. There's a demo account. So already they've given you a real account on the MT5. There's the number for real account. They have created one for you. But I want us to create our own. But we're gonna create a demo account. So I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna come here to where it says open a new account. That's where I'm gonna click. Click there because I want it to be a standard account. I want a standard account. I want to try demo for now. Go to demo. So I want it to be on MT4, not MT5. You see, it's on MT5. I want it to be on MT4. Here, the leverage is very important. I'll leave the leverage to 2,000 because we can change the leverage here. As you can see, there's unlimited leverage. I didn't know that. It's my first time. Okay, I didn't know there's an unlimited leverage. But okay, here you can start. You can set your balance. Okay, first thing, let me start with the currency. I want it to be ZAR. Just for the purpose of this video, let me make it ZAR. But you can leave it in dollars. It's fine. It's up to you. Let me make it ZAR, and from there I can just change here and say maybe 16,500, of which is equivalent to $1,000. Yeah, it's a standard account. Create a password. Use the same password that I used to create. Okay. Now the account is created. You can pending. Oh yeah, now it's created. Sorry, now it's created. So now, if maybe it happens that you blow your account, you can come back to set balance and add another balance. Let's say your blow account, you can come here and just type the amount that if you 100,000, it's up to you. Okay. From there, if you come here to trade, that's where you get your server, because this is important. Server, Exness server. This is important. That's where you get your server. Let's just copy this first. Let's copy this because you want to link now. You see, the broker has provided us with the account number, and we have the password, and we got the server, of which is this one. So we got account now. So now we're gonna go to the MT4 and link this to our MT4. I'll go down here to my Exness. Okay, I placed the trade on the thingy on the demo here. Okay, let me just come here. Uh, so I wanna log in with those login details. Paste it here. Account here. And say my account. My password was my server is this one. Let me log in. Let me log in and see what happened. As I log in, you see now this 16,000. This 16,500 is here already. The 16,500 it's here already. So which means we've managed to link our account. So guys, if you want to know how to set up your chart on your MT4, you can check here on my. You can go to my. There's a lot on my YouTube channel. That's where you can get a lot of stuff. You can learn a lot. Let me just do this. Go to my YouTube channel so that you can see what I'm referring to. If you want to learn how to set up your chart, there in my YouTube channel, you'll find it. There's just there. Hey, my internet is slow, guys. Please forgive me. My internet is very slow. It's very slow. Very slow. Very slow. Check. I want to come here. Your YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel. Please, guys, I would like to urge you to subscribe on this YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. Yeah. So here, this way you'll find. Okay, let's say you're searching for how to analyze the chart. No. How to set up. How to set up. How to set up MT4 chart on your PC. That's where you learn how to set up your MT4 on your PC. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. And I'm out. I think the information I just gave you will help you. The link will be in the description. Make sure that you subscribe on this channel and you like and press the notification button. The link to Exness will be on the description, guys. You don't have to go and Google Exness, but if you want to do that, do that. But the link is just here. Will be here on the description. Thank you so much, guys, and I'm out.